Iconic photography bank Kodak could go out of business within a year. The 133-year-old American company warned investors on Monday. In a regulatory filing, there's significant doubt it will keep its door open unless it pays down its debt or renegotiate its terms. In the filing, Kodak warns that its debt coming within 12 months is due and does not have committed finance or available liquidity to meet said debt obligations. The company added these conditions raise substantial doubt about Kodak's ability to continue as a growing concern. Although Kodak introduced the first digital camera back in 1973, the company could not keep up with changing times as everyone now carries a camera in their pocket 24/7, making standalone cameras and films less relevant. In the second quarter, Kodak continued to make progress against our long-term plans despite the challenges of an uncertain business environment, Kodak CEO Jim said. In the latest quarter, Kodak reported a $26 million loss. Since the end of last year, the company has burned through 46 million in cash, leaving it with just 155 million in hand. Kodak is carrying roughly $500 million in debt. The company's spokesperson said it is confident it will pay a significant portion of its term loan well before the due date and amend, extend, or refinance our remaining debt or our preferred stock obligation. This is not the first time the company faced financial struggle. It filed for bankruptcy in 2012. Since then, the company has expanded into other industries, believing it has great growth potential like commercial printing services and advanced chemical manufacturing. In 2018, they even jumped on the blockchain and cryptocurrency bandwagon, announcing plans to launch a new digital token called Kodak Coins. These tokens were meant to power Kodak One, a blockchain-based rights management platform designed to help photographers register and license both new and existing work to the secure digital ledger, but it never took off and Kodak scrapped the plan.